on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. Ever since I've been trying to get it back. Shit. With it back. Shit.
Alright. Good morning, Gunna Gang. We are back with another video. It is currently 7:40 right now. And I might not be able to see that, but it's currently 7:40 right now. And we're on our way to go pick up 330I Kessie from the airport in JFK. So I was just like, you know what, let me just pick up the camera and just vlog for a little bit today. Don't mind this in the back. This is my vacuum cleaner. I got that. Like I said, we got things going on, business to build. So for me, I got that. Just forgot to take it out the car. But I was like, let me take y'all along today and for me, just bring y'all along through the day of what I be going through. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for this video. I'm not too sure what else is gonna be in this video for today, but I'm gonna take y'all along, man. Yeah, we gotta hit a little tunnel real quick, so let's see a shot. Currently 26 minutes away from getting Kessie. So by the time I'll probably pick it up by the time we get there. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that, man. Alright, y'all. So we just made it to the airport. Right now we're just waiting for Kessie to get out, and when she gets here, then we get to go back home. So yeah, when she gets here, we'll see her. Hey! Guys, I hate coming to the airport. I barely fly. I'd rather drive. I gotta fear the fucking planes and shit. Anyways, now I have to go pick up another car and then go home. So we're gonna go do that right now. Alright, y'all. So it's another tunnel POV right now. Feel me? We got the 330I Kessie. Feel me? She's here chilling. But we gotta do some tunnel runs real quick. Anyways, y'all, let me stop being bad in this fucking car and drive like a regular civilian, bro. I'll catch y'all when we get back. So right now, I'm quickly doing a quick detail on this 530. I'm starting with the interior. I already did this driver side, just vacuuming wise. I have before and afters, but I just vacuumed the floor and the rear on the driver side. And this is the front. So this is a full detail. Like I have been telling y'all, I've been trying to start something up, which is a detailing business. Soon I will have everything up for it, website and everything. So make sure y'all just show some support when that comes out. But right now I'm just vacuuming the insides. And then I'm going to wipe down the inside, and then we're going to clean the exterior. This is the before right here of the exterior, and I took some videos on my phone of the interior. I'll try and put those in there too before I upload this video, and we'll get back to it because I don't want to get in too deep with this because we also got other things to do today. So let's get this done. So we finished the inside, door jambs, inside vacuumed. Had to steam a little bit, but we just finished the inside of this car. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, calm. But now we're about to do the exterior, so I'm gonna just drop a little couple little snippets of it, feel me? You know how I always do with my videos. And then we're doing the exterior right now. Once we're done with that, I'll show you guys the car, and then we move on to our next activity for the day, man.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something.
Told y'all, right now, this was what I said from last video that I'm working on right now, and it's working on starting a business. So soon everything will be up for that. Website, payment method, and everything of that sort. So make sure y'all tune in, make sure y'all grow with me on that part too. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna end the video here, as in it's gonna be the end of it. If it is, then you'll know. But I might have something else to do later on for the day. But that's pretty much it for now. I'm probably just gonna go get something to eat because I'm very hungry. But just one last look at the car again. And we're gonna be back, man. Alright, gonna gang. So it is the next day. And as I just accidentally showed y'all behind me, but we had a package here. But this package is not for us. This package is actually for Diddy, and it's XXM. So we should be installing that in about 2 days or tomorrow. So you'll see that in the next video. But today we definitely have some plans. I'm gonna go install another exhaust on a M340, as well as a downpipe. I don't know if I'm gonna make it like how I made my video of installing it on my 540. That one did get a lot of views, so maybe I might do the same thing as a tutorial. I'm not too sure, but I'll add like little bits of it in this video, and I think that's gonna be pretty much it for the night. I'm gonna see, we might have a car meet tonight. Sorry y'all, my car is very dirty, and I know y'all gonna see in the video and put down in the comments like, oh my god, he's a detailer and he hasn't washed his car. I know, I'm just a lot going on, trying to start this business up, you know what I mean? So washing my own car right now is my last priority, but I will take care of that. But there might be a car meet tonight. Depending if it's around here, then I'll bring out my car and I'll bring out the 340, the M340, after I'm done installing what needs to be installed on it, and y'all could pretty much just hear the car for yourselves after that gets done. But I know it's gonna sound really good, and I can't wait for that. So I'm gonna take you guys along today, and let's get right to it, gonna gang. At this point, y'all, you know I do it all. My 540 is also my 540 is also the FedEx, you know what I mean? Look who's here.
YouTube, man.
Back again with another back with another it's the package. I ain't say nothing about it. I just said we took delivery of it. So y'all go on his channel to check it.
Where you hooped it?
Oh yeah. You shitting me? Anyways, y'all, we're about to take care of installing this new package, and then we also have to install the exhaust and downpipe for the M340, who should be here soon as well. So I'm gonna take this out of my car real quick, and I'll pick up the camera again. Sorry y'all, bro, I don't know what to tell y'all, but this interior is just too tough, bro. Oh shit, Jonah! But nah, yeah, this interior is way too tough. Anyways, we're on the way to AutoZone right now to pick up what we need to install what Didi just got. Once he opens the box, then, well, I'm still not even gonna show y'all because it's not my shit to show. But make sure y'all stay tuned. His link is gonna be down in the description below, so y'all can go to his page. But anyways, we're going all the way to AutoZone right now, so y'all stay tuned. Yeah, so we are back. We're here. I cannot show y'all driver because driver is ghost. But like I told y'all, we got the car here, and we are about to put on mods into the car. Didi's car's over here. Is here, and we're about to put on his mods, And we're about to do downpipe tune. And nah, I gotta say that for your video, bro. Downpipe tune, and they're also going to do the exhaust. So we're gonna get back to it once almost everything is done, all right? So one car is down, X6M is finished. I cannot show you the car right now because all the mods that he did get are currently on the car now, and that shit looks fucking beautiful. So make sure y'all look down in the description below. The link to that video will be up there, or to his channel if his video is not out before mine. But the second car, which is the M340, today I just remembered that here's the VRSF downpipe for it, but I just remember when I bought mine, I bought a gasket for it and a new band. Where's the VRSF downpipe at? Yeah, I bought a new band gasket for the downpipe to go right here, which I forgot to tell him about, so I just asked him just now, and he said he did not get it, so sorry, because I think his car's in the video, so I gotta say it again. But this is almost the same exhaust that I have on my 540, which I'm about to put on this 340, and just the exhaust for today. I'll have to come back and do the downpipe another day due to the fact that we don't have the gasket. So make sure you guys get the gasket when you purchase your downpipe, so that you're not reusing your old gasket, and a clamp, and then you guys should be good to go. Alrighty, man, so let's get into it. I don't think I'm gonna make it how I made my 540 video with the tutorial, since I already have that up. We're just gonna get straight to it, yeah. Alright, Gunner Gang, so we just dropped the OEM exhaust on the 340. Like I said, we're just gonna do the exhaust today, because I want to get the correct gasket to go onto the downpipe before changing it. But that's the OEM downpipe right there. Restricted, but we'll be changing that. Don't worry about it. And then this is the OEM exhaust down here, which we'll be changing. And the car gonna be Valvetronic Alibaba soon, as you can see over there. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick little update, but we're gonna get back to it. Right, Gunner Gang. So, the exhaust is on, and this is how it's looking right now. This shit is nice. Oh my gosh. We're about to run to the gas station to go get some batteries, but this shit looks nice as fuck. I cannot wait to hear this when the valves open, because the valves come closed, so. Oh my god, I keep trying to show y'all his car, but I can't even show you his car. Fuck! No, bro, they gotta see it in your video, bro. Say hi to Ari Bands. But yeah, we're about to run to the gas station real quick and then get some batteries, and then we're gonna hear this shit, and then we'll get some pulls. Oh, can we get a start? Hold on, yeah, I'll be back. All right, go ahead. We gotta go get the batteries from the gas station. Sound like mine. Y'all ready for this? Yeah. We'll be back. We're about to go to the gas station and see how it sounds like the battery. Come on in, extra cheese and extra sloppy. Nah, I'm joking. So we went to the gas station, yeah. Gas station was closed. Womp womp womp. But Ari Bands might have some of the oh shit, she's smiling. Cat. Oh shit, she's smiling. She might have the battery, so we're gonna wait and see. But this thing heats up like a mother trucker right here. 340 outside, 540 in the front, man. It's really a beamer world out here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, I really love what I be doing out here, so it's crazy. But hopefully Ari can find these batteries. So if she find these batteries, then we could get it done. If not, we'll just use the battery that D has in his shit to open it, and then he'll just go grab the battery tomorrow. Put my battery in it. Yeah, if worst comes to worst, put your battery in it. Let it just open it. Open yeah. Tomorrow? Like you got a battery? Yeah. I know you want to hear that shit. There's no way we did that for no reason. Oh, D. This is how we were with with D's car when we did this shit. We wanted to hear that shit so bad, bro. I was like, yeah, I need to. Anyways, y'all, let me figure out what we're gonna do and then we'll get back to it. Yeah. Hold on, yeah. We gonna hold on. Or was that the valve? Oh. That's radio. Radio? Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely.
Alright, go start it. Alright, y'all. Oh. See what we starting with. So this is also just a reminder that this car only got the exhaust done, so it is still resonated downpipe. but we will be doing the other version of it with the downpipe on there. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate y'all.